Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you where can you easily enable head gestures. At first we have to scroll down to control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings, and now we have to click on this info button over here. Now we have to get sure that we are connected into our headphones. If you are, we just have to scroll down until we see head gestures. It's below microphone and spatial audio. We have to click on it, and now we can enable them. Move your head up and down or side to accept or decline to announce calls and to interact with or dismiss announce notifications without speaking or using your hands. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.